Alright, bro, what's up, y'all boys? We're doing back testing again today. You can see we have consumer confidence and job openings at 10 a.m., so that's what I'm going to be looking out for. So first thing I want to do, I already wanted it to 8:30, so first thing I want to do is go to the 4-hour. And what do we see on ES? We can see it's filling this demand zone, and I think it's an equilibrium level. So if it's in equilibrium level, I'll be bullish on the day, considering what the 1 hour is going to give us, but yeah, okay. So distant equilibrium level fills the demand zone, and we can see buyers pushing the price up based off this candle. So now, where is price likely to target next? Well, we could say these highs. We could say this high, these highs, and even you could say this high. Now, is ES going to move up 70 points in a day? Probably not, but who knows? Now, okay, in NQ, you could see this imbalance being filled right here, as well as this demand zone being respected. But I don't think it's in an equilibrium level. So yeah, it's not. Okay, so we can see what the 1 hour is going to give us. Right, okay, so we could see here. Wait, bro, why is this not? Alright, bro, I don't know why this is fucking. I don't know why it's not rewinding. But the same thing still stands. You go to the 4 hour, you can see it filling this demand zone, dipped into equilibrium level, higher price targets. You go to the 1 hour, sort of same thing. What I'm looking for here. Dude, why is it not rewinding, bro? Like, this shit's actually mad annoying. Okay, now what I'm seeing here, it's prices entering this demand zone and probably entering equilibrium level as well. Go from this high to this high because this is the range, and you can see it, equilibrium, demand zone. So we're looking to go down to the 15-minute and see what price is going to give us. Now, I swear to God, if I go back and ES is not rewinded like I'm telling it to, then I'm going to be a little pissed. But here we can see price fill this, come down, take these lows again, move up, come down, fill this demand zone. And now I would like to say, I'm not gonna lie, I would like to see price come down and take this low. That's what I'm looking for, to be honest with you. I market open. But we'll see what it gives us. Now watch this. Okay, it actually stayed where we wanted it to. So we marked out the hourly. Now we can go to the 15-minute. And we're looking for a buy, remember guys, we're looking for a buy. So what do we see? Well, we can see price take out this low, this 15-minute low right here, and fill this entire demand zone. So based on what market gives us, I'm looking for a buy, right? So we go to NQ. You see the same thing. I really want to see price come down and take this low, or even this low right here, actually, to be honest. But we can see price moving, 15-minute equilibrium, and it was an extreme discount. Now it's moving back up. So hopefully that market open, we can see price come down, give us something. Okay, really not much, to be honest with you. However, ES, we do see these lows taken, and that's really what I want to see, to be honest with you, are these hourly lows. I want to see these hourly lows get taken. You can see right here, these lows taken, fills the demand zone, very bullish candle up. So we're going to look on the 5-minute. And we're going to wait for market open. And we got news at 10 a.m., remember? So I sort of want to wait for that. But if we find an entry, then I might honestly enter. Okay, this was the market open candle, guys. What do we see here? It goes to hourly. Okay, sort of the same thing, to be honest with you. On NQ though, on NQ we actually I'm now I kind of want to trade NQ now. So we see this will take in, this demand zone filled. So I'm not gonna lie, guys, I might be looking for an entry on NQ now. That's exactly what I wanted to see. So I'm gonna go to the 5 minute and I'm gonna see what price gives us. Now you can see it's very, very volatile today because we have that news. ES, let's see what ES did. I'm gonna put a line here and see if it swept anything because the hourly is like weird. Okay, we didn't see anything, but I'm still bullish on ES. Feeling better on NQ though. I'm not gonna lie. So we're in the 5 minute, and now news comes out in like 10 minutes. So we're gonna see if price gives us something. So we can see this huge imbalance, not really respected, but unless this comes down, fills this, moves up, which honestly I think is what just happened. Now I really want to wait for that 10 a.m. news. To be honest with you, well, you can see right here, price came down, filled this, moved up. Same thing on ES, and you could also see price come down, fill this equilibrium level again, right here. So honestly, I guess you could have entered here, but I want to wait for news. So, and also same thing with NQ. You can see price come up into this equilibrium level. Like I said, I'm feeling better on NQ, so I would have seen this. And this was the news candle right here, guys. This was the big ass news candle. So we can see price come back into this demand zone with a bullish candle here. You could have taken a, I probably would have entered here, I'm not gonna lie, and put stops under here. And then I would have put price targets. Do we not mark out our price targets? So let's see what ES would have given us. Okay, actually, I would have entered off this news candle and off this candle close on ES right here. I actually like that entry better than NQ. It stops below this demand zone right here, and we can see off this news candle, it came down, filled this imbalance, then closed made a new high above. So I would have entered off this candle close right here. Set stops below this demand zone. And then we could go to the 15-minute to mark out price targets. Price targets, this high, these highs, and this high right here. So this would have been my trade for ES. And this would have been my NQ trade. Give me 1 second, guys. Honestly, I would have set price target here. And let's see if there's anything on the 15-minute. Okay. Here and like this high. So this would have been my NQ trade and ES trade. So let's see what happens, guys. All right, so take profit 1 to 2 would have been hit, and take profit 3, so we would have won that one. And our ES trade, take profit 1, 2 would have been hit, and 3, it looks like price is still moving toward 3, so I don't know if that's gonna get hit, but we could let's just say here, for the sake of the video, I don't know if take profit 3 will get hit since it's currently only 1:25 p.m. So the market's still open, so it could still get hit. But my NQ trade would have hit, and my ES trade would have hit. So most successful trades for 3.14 on ES and 4.3 on NQ. I'll make another backtesting. Actually, let me see if I'm gonna make another. Yeah, I'll make another backtesting video tomorrow, guys. Hope you guys found this video informational. Unfortunately, I couldn't take a trade today because I had class, but don't worry, guys. My semester's almost over. But anyways, hope you guys watch. Hope you guys learned something. Thank you for watching.